Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by switching your Chromebook into the state that allows low-level controls. You need developer mode enabled. Do it now if not already. Remember, it wipes local files. Make sure your Chromebook is plugged in and above 50% battery because the process can take time. Sign in as the device owner, then open Settings and go to About Chrome OS, then click Detailed Build Info. Once done, you'll be ready to access experimental options that let USB debugging be activated. Next, navigate to Settings and find Developers. If Linux Beta is not active, enable it now because ADB depends on those components. In Developers, toggle ADB debugging on. You'll get a security prompt explaining host access. Accept it, since it grants a DB permission. The system will ask to reboot. Allow that restart. After reboot, plug the USB cable into both devices and watch for the pairing prompt. This step establishes the secure channel for debugging, so don't skip confirming the host. Finally, when the pairing prompt appears, accept it on both your Chromebook and the connected host. Then confirm with the DB devices. You should see your device listed. If it doesn't appear, make sure to test another USB cable or port and double-check developer mode and Linux Beta are active. Sometimes a reboot fixes lingering permission states. As an extra tip, revoke ADB debugging and re-enable it to reset pairing keys. If problems persist, restart both devices before retrying the whole sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.